Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. In today's video, I will show you how to make magic ring and also how to work around the magic ring. So before we start, let me tell you one thing, that magic ring is abbreviated as MR. So in any pattern, if you find that MR is written, so you will understand that it is for magic ring. Okay, and it is also called magic circle sometimes. Alright, so let's start. And if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Alright friends, so to start with the magic ring, first we have to hold the yarn like this. Okay, so this is the yarn tail and this is the working yarn. Okay, so hold the yarn like this and then wrap it around these two fingers in such a way so that it makes a X-like structure. Like this. Okay, I will show it again. Hold the yarn like this and then wrap it around these two fingers in such a way that it makes a X-like structure. Okay, and then hold this working yarn using this finger so that it gives a nice tension. Alright, now hold your crochet hook. Okay, and then insert the crochet hook into the first strand. Alright, insert the crochet hook into the first strand and then grab the second strand and pull it through the first one. Alright, I will show it again. Insert the crochet hook into the first strand. Okay, so insert the crochet hook and then grab the second yarn and pull it through the first one like this. Alright, now carefully release your hand from this yarns. Okay, and then hold the working yarn like this. Okay, now make a chain one. So this way we can make a magic circle or magic ring. Now that we have made a magic circle or magic ring, now I will move forward and I will make few single crochet across this magic circle. Okay, so for that we have to insert the crochet hook like this into the magic circle. Alright, yarn over and pull it through the circle. Okay, so you see we have two loops now. So again yarn over and pull it through both the loops. Alright, so this is our first single crochet around the magic circle. So we will make 5 more. Insert the crochet hook. Now yarn over, pull it through the magic ring, yarn over, okay, and pull it tightly both the loops. Close the hole in the magic circle. Okay. Yarn, insert the crochet hook, yarn over, pull it through. Alright, yarn over. So I just closed the, I'll make 3 more center or the hole of the magic circle. Now I will work one more row around these 6 single crochet. Okay, so for that I have to insert the crochet hook into the first stitch. Okay, so this is the first single crochet that we made in the last round. So I will insert the hook into it. So sometimes it becomes a bit tight, so loosen it up a bit. Alright, so I will insert the hook like this in the first stitch, but before that I will take a stitch marker to mark this first stitch. Okay, why we are doing so? So that at the end of this row we do not forget from where we started. Alright, so you can take any ready-made stitch marker. You can buy any ready-made stitch markers. Since I do not have ready-made stitch marker, so what I do, I generally take a piece of yarn which is of different color from my working yarn. Alright, now insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both the loops. So I made one single crochet. I will make another single crochet into the same stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both the loops. Okay, so this way I will make 2 single crochet in each of these stitches. So at the end of round 2 we should have 12 stitches. Okay, so again insert the crochet hook into the next stitch and make a single crochet. I'll make another one in the same stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both the loops. Alright, I'll move on to the next stitch where I will make 2 single crochet, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both the loops. Okay, I'll make another one in the same stitch. Okay, so this way in the remaining 3 stitches I'll make 2 single crochet. Okay, so in each of the stitches I will make 2 single crochet. Alright, so at the end of this row, you see we have total 12 stitches. Okay, so let me count it. So from here we started. Okay, so our stitch marker is here. Is here, so we started from here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, I have removed the stitch marker. So this way we can work around a magic circle.